Struggling to steer your Ford F-150? You're not alone. Let's get to the bottom of it. Hey there, Ford F-150 owners. If your steering feels stiff, it can be frustrating and even dangerous. But don't worry, we're here to help. First off, let's talk about the power steering fluid. This fluid is the lifeblood of your steering system. If it's low, your steering can get tough. Check the fluid level and top it up if needed. Next, you might have a faulty power steering pump. This pump is crucial for making steering easy. Listen for whining noises or look for leaks. If you find any, it might be time to replace the pump. Another common issue is the steering rack. Over time, it can wear out and make steering difficult. If you notice uneven tire wear or a clunking sound, get it checked by a mechanic. Lastly, don't forget the serpentine belt. This belt drives the power steering pump. If it's worn or loose, your steering will suffer. Inspect the belt for cracks and replace it if necessary. So in summary, check your power steering fluid, inspect the pump, evaluate the steering rack, and examine the serpentine belt. These steps can help you regain smooth steering in your Ford F-150. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped you and subscribe for more car tips. Drive safe.